everyone. Thanks for joining me on my channel. I wanted to show you today how to paint a wine glass with grapes. Let's get started. We're going to start by using yellow and a burnt sienna for the background, and the table is all burnt sienna, whereas we're going to add a little bit of burnt sienna with the yellow in the top part. Next, I'm using a baby blue paint color for the wine glass. Now we're going to paint the grapes. I use a lavender color and a lilac color. I also use a very dark navy blue, and I kind of mix them together. I'll put the different colors on the brush and go over each individual grape. Have fun painting them. For the wine in the glass, I'm going to use a dark burgundy as well as a true red, and I mix the colors on the canvas. Next, we're going to be painting the leaves. If you notice, I'm holding the paintbrush in such a way that the point is at the pointed part of each leaf. And I'm using a Kelly green color as well as a citron green. This painting looks really fun if you outline it with black. I use a large brush that has a really good point to outline with the black paint. Now you can use a smaller brush if that's easier for you. Take your time, hold your little finger on the canvas if it's dry, and that will help you to have some control over your brush. Just take your time and do it. Well, we're almost done. What I like to do with every painting is add some white highlights because it just makes every painting sparkle. So add highlights where you think the sun would be hitting the glass and the grapes and the leaves. I hope you enjoyed painting this painting, and please hit like and subscribe and also the notification bell, and you'll be notified as to when I'll have more videos showing you how to paint with acrylic and watercolor. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and hit that notification button for more videos to learn how to paint with acrylic and watercolor.